Can you make a circle?
Circle.
Good job. Can you make a triangle?
Jungle.
Triangle.
Jungle.
Triangle. Look, Mommy will make a triangle.
Jungle.
Triangle.
A gun.
Hexagon. This one, what's this?
Square.
Square. Good job. What's this?
Pen.
Diamond.
Diamond.
Diamond. This one, what's this?
Circle.
Is it circle or oval?
Oval.
Oval. What about this one? What's this?
Star.
Star. Good job, Aiden.
Moon.
Moon. Oh, this is the moon. Moon.
Moon.
Moon.
Crescent. Star.
Crescent? This is a crescent?
Crescent.
Crescent. How about this one, Aiden? What's this?
B.
It's a heart. It's a heart. Can you draw a line for Mommy?
Yeah.
Good job. Can you draw a circle?
Circle.
Good job. What about a square?
Square.
What about a triangle?
Circle.
Triangle. Can you write your name? No, you cannot. Can't write your name yet.
20. 20.